This one's really rushed. It's Finnish MDF fibreboard type stuff that's been lying around for a while. I needed some seed trays, and just using circular saw and using the guides that come with it, the parallel guides and the depth guides, a table to clamp it to, 2 clamps and a ruler. There's nothing else in this build. Pretty simple and really rushed. There's like mistakes that you're going to see and big offcuts and stuff like that because I was trying to get it all done in a very short amount of time. Painting process is I'm normally a bit tighter on paint, but this one's really loose. It's just some oil-based paint to waterproof the fiberboard because it's basically cardboard, and it's going to have wet soil in it. So basically just one coat of that put on over quick overnight drying and assembly with a staple gun. If you didn't have a staple gun, I mean, this stuff is probably soft enough to use a desktop stapler with, and a bit of brute force as well. But yeah, 3 seed boxes whipped up out of scrap.